161. In the given table shows the ratio of the speed of the stream to the speed of the boat in still water, and downstream speed is given. Find the one will be speed of the stream, another one are speed of the boat are given, and one more downstream speed also given. What is the downstream speed in A? Boat A downstream speed is 15. What is the upstream speed? Total how many parts here? Total how many parts? 6 parts. Sorry, it is 18. Downstream speed are 18. 6 parts are 18 means what is the one part? 3. What is the upstream speed? 4 parts are. 4 parts is 12. And one more M comma S. M is how much? 6 parts 18 and 5 parts are 15. One part will be 3. In the same way, what is the B? What is the downstream speed? 16. Upstream speed? 2 parts are 8 parts are 16 means 2 parts are 4. Then M value 10. S value 6. Next in C, what is the downstream speed? 13. Upstream speed 3. What is the M value? 8. S value 5. Next in D, what is the ratio? 1:3. Total how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts are 12. What is the difference? 2 parts. 2 parts means 6. Next, what is the M value? 9. S value 3. Next, E, what is the downstream speed? 2:3. Total 5 parts. 15 means and 1 part are 5. Next, M value 10. S value 5 parts are how much? 15. And what is the difference? 1 part. 1 part will be 3. 15 plus 3 means 18. By 2 means 9. Another one are 6. Okay. Downstream speed M plus S. Upstream speed M minus S. 15 plus 3 18. 15 minus 3 12. 10 plus 6 16. 10 minus 6 4. All are in downstream speed, upstream speed, speed of the boat and speed of the stream. What is the first question? Find the total distance traveled by boat A if it takes 20 hours to travel the total distance in upstream and downstream. Boat A, if it takes 20 hours to travel total distance in upstream and downstream. Distance value we are consider D. Distance value we written D. And what is the upstream distance? What is the upstream speed? 12. Boat A or boat B? Boat A means we written D by 12 plus D by what is the downstream speed? 18. These two are adding. What is the total time? 20 hours. What is the LCM of 12 and 18? 36. 12 how many times? 3 times. 18 2 times. Total it is 5D equal to 20 into 36. 5 how many times? 4 times. 4 into 36. 144. But here question is total distance. Total distance means upstream plus downstream. What is the answer? 288. 144 double 288. Next 162. If the distance traveled in upstream direction by boat B and boat C are in the same or different? Same. Find the ratio of the time taken by boat C to boat B. And here distance is same or different? Same. But we required which one? Time ratio or speed ratio? Time ratio. One will be boat B, another one are boat C. Both are in upstream or downstream? Upstream. What is the upstream speed of boat B? 4. What is the upstream speed of boat C? 300. What is the speed ratio? 4:300. Then time ratio will be 3:400. What is the question here? Ratio of the time taken by C to B or B to C? C to B. What is the answer? 4:3. Next 163. Boat B traveled a distance of 192 kilometers in downstream and the same distance and the same in upstream, while boat C traveled a distance of 78 kilometers downstream and the same in upstream. Find the difference between the time taken by boat B and boat C. One case boat B time are required, another case boat C time are required. Two different or only one? Two different. First boat B are taken. What is the distance value? 192 by downstream speed 16 plus what is the upstream distance 192, time will speed are 4, distance by speed plus distance by speed, we are get the time of downstream or upstream. For 192 kilometers, boat B or boat C? Boat B. 16 how many times? 12 times. 4 how many times? 48. 12 plus 48. 60. Next, another case, what the upstream distance are given? 78. But boats here, what the distance here? 78. What the upstream speed? 3. Plus, what the downstream distance also? 78. What the downstream speed? 13. 78 by 3 plus 78 by 13. 3 how many times? 26. 13 how many times? 6. 26 plus 6. 32. What is the B time? 60 hours. What is the C time? 32 hours. What is the difference in time? 28 hours. Next question number 164. If the speed of the boat F in still water is 20 km per hour more than the boat B, and the speed of the stream is same as the speed of the boat A in still water, find the total time taken by boat F to cover the same distance that E covered in upstream and downstream in a total of 36 hours. And here F speed of the boat F value is 20 more than the which one? Speed of the boat of B, and speed of the stream is same as the which one? Speed of the boat A in still water first, and the distance value are equal to total time taken by F to cover the same distance that B boat E covered in upstream and downstream in a total of how many hours? 36 hours. First we need to identify the boat E distance. What is the boat E upstream distance? Suppose we are consider D kilometers. What is the boat E upstream speed? 3 plus what is the D by 15, that is equal to 36 hours. D by 3 plus D by 15, that is equal to how many hours? 36. Simplify this one, we are get the D value. LCM 15. 3 how many times? 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6D equal to 36 into which one? 15. And 6 how many times? 6 times. 6 into 15. 90. Then D value are how many kilometers? 90. The same distance it is also covered by which one? Boat F. What is the boat F distance? 90 plus 90. But one case it will be upstream, another case are downstream. But boat F M value compared to which one? Boat B value. What is the boat B M value? 10. Compared to that one, 20 more or 20 lesser? 20 more. Means M value is 30. And speed of the stream is same as the which one? Speed of the boat A. What is the speed of the boat A? 15. Means S value of boat F is how much? 15. It is data for which one? Speed of the boat F or boat B? Boat F. What is the boat F M value? 30. S value 15. What is the downstream speed? 45. What is the upstream speed? 15. 45 how many times? 2 times. 15. 6 times. 6 plus 2. 8 hours. Next question number 165. If the speed of the boat D in still water is increased by 33.33% and the speed of the stream remains the same, find the respective ratio of the total time taken before the change in speed to after the change in speed of the boat to D, and consider the distance is same in both the conditions. Speed of the boat to D in still water is increased by how much? 33.33%. But the previous one boat speed 9 increased by how much? 33.33%. Means 1/3 increased. 1/3 increase means what is the new speed? 12. What is the new speed value? 12. And the speed of the steam remains are 7. And respective ratio of time taken by before the change in speed and after the change in speed of the boat dl. Before the change means written distance value d. What is the downstream speed? 12. D by 12 plus d by upstream speed 6. It is time are taken by original case. It is compared to which one? What is the new boat speed? 12. What is the stream speed? 3. What is the downstream speed? 15. D by 15 plus D by 9. What is the left hand side? Time are taken before the change the speeder. What is the right hand side? After changing the speeder. What is the LCM? Left hand side LCM 12 or 36? 12. 12 how many times? 1. 6 how many times? 2 times. That will be 3 by 12 is to 15 and 9 LCM 45. 15 3 times, 9 5 times. Total it is 8 times. Okay. And here 3 how many times here? 4 times. 4 8s are 32. It will be 45 is to 32. Because the distance is cancelled. D value are cancelled. Next 166. Find the total time taken by boat E is what percent more or less than the that by boat D to cover the same distance or different distance? Same distance. Boat E is what percent more or less than the boat D to cover the same distance or different distance? Same distance. First boat E. What is the distance value written? D. What is the boat E downstream speed? 15 plus boat E upstream distance also D. What is the upstream speed? 3 D by 15 plus D by 3. We are getting the total time of boat E. Again we required boat to D value. Boat to D means D by 12. Another one D by 6. We are get the ratio. After that we are get the percentage. 15 and 3 LCM means 15. 15 one time, 3 5 times. Total it is 6 by 15. D by 12 plus D by 6 means 12. 1 plus 2, 3 by 12. 3 how many times? 4 times. 1 again 3 2 times, 3 5 times. What is the ratio? 8 is to 5. One will be 8 parts, another one 5 parts. Means one is 100%, another one are 160%. Or how much percent or more? 60% more. Question is either percentage more or less. How much percent or more? 60% more. Next 167. There are a mixture A and mixture B of water and alcohol. Mixture A contains 45% of alcohol and mixture B contains 35% of alcohol. Both mixtures are mixed such that the final mixture contains 61% of water. And find what percentage of mixture B is less than the mixture A in the new mixture. What percent of mixture B is less than or more than the mixture A in the new mixture? In A, what is the alcohol percentage? 45. In B, what is the alcohol percentage? 35. These two are mixing, we are get the new mixture. In that new mixture, what is the water percentage? 61. Water are 61 means remaining 39 are alcohol. Okay. Simplify these three, we are get the ratio. 45 and 39. What is the difference? 6. 39 and 35. 4. What is the ratio? 2 is to 3. Okay. One will be 100%. Another one are 150%. What is the answer? 50% more or 50% less? 50% more. 168. If the ratio of the present age of a family consists of father and mother, Dolly and Sony are 6 is to 5 is to 2 is to 1. The average age of the father and Sonu is given 28 years. Find the sum of the age of Dolly, uncle and auntie. if uncle was born after 6 years of Dolly father and auntie was 4 years older than the Dolly's mother, and here total how many persons are there? 4 persons. And here average of the father and Sonu is given 28 years. Father is how many parts? 6 parts. Sonu 1 part. Total 7 parts are. Average are 28 means sum will be 56. 7 how many times? 8 times. Every 1 part are 8. Then father will be how many years? 48. Mother 40. Mother will be 40 years old. What is the question here? Sum of the ages of Dolly uncle and auntie. Uncle was born after 6 years of Dolly father. Means father and Dolly uncle. One will be father, another one are uncle. What is the age difference? 6 years. Means uncle age is how many years? 42. Next, compared to mother, auntie was how many years are old? 4 years. Means auntie will be 44, but we required sum of the ages of uncle and auntie. What is the answer? 86. Next, 169. The sum of the radius of a circle and the breadth of a rectangle having length of 32 meters is 46 meters. Means length is how much? 32. But radius and breadth of a rectangle is given how much? 46. Suppose radius value we are consider x, then breadth value 46 minus x, 46 minus x, and one more, circumference of a circle to the perimeter of a rectangle is 44:25. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. That will be considered 44/7 into r. Next, perimeter of a rectangle means 2 of L plus B. That is equal to which ratio? 44/25. First 44 get cancelled, and here R by L plus B equal to how much? 14/25. R by L plus B equal to 14/25. What is the L value? 32. What is the B value? 46 minus x. Means 32 plus 46 minus x means that will be written 78 minus x. What is the L value? 32. What is the B value? 46 minus x. Both are adding 78 minus x, and R value written x by L plus B means it is 78 minus x. That is equal to 14 by which one? 25. Just cross multiplication. One will be 25x, another one are 14x. Total it is 39x equal to 14 into which one? 78. 39 almost 2 times. Then x equal to how much? 28. If x value 28 means radius value are 28. What is the breadth value? 46 minus 28. 18. Breadth is how much? 18. What is the question here? Difference between the area of a rectangle and that of a circle. Area of a rectangle means length into breadth, means 32 into which one? 18. It will be 540 plus 36, 576. Again we required circle area. What is the circle area? Pi r square means 22/7 into r square. What is the r value? 28 into 28. 7 how many times? 4 times. 22 for the 88 into how much value? 28. 88 into 28. What is the 88 into 28? 19. What is the radius we are getting? 28. 4 times, 16 times. What is the 16 into 616? 2, 2, 4, 6, 4. 2, 4, 6, 4. What is the difference between these two values? 1, 1, 888. 1,888. Next question number 170. A has 2 articles of the same cost or different cost. Same cost price. He has sold both articles to be 160 each one, And what is the each one selling price are given? 160. And each one cost price also same or different? Same. If the profit percent on the first article for A is calculated on which one? Cost price is 60% more than the profit percent on the second article for A calculated on selling price. And B sold the first article at dash rupees and earns a profit which is 20% less than the profit earned by A on the first article. What is the question here? Then what comes in the blank spacer? And here each one cost price are same or different? Same. And each one selling price also given? Same is given. Suppose each one cost price we are consider CP. First one CP and second one also CP are same or different? Same. And what is the first one selling price? 160. Second one also selling price are 160. Normally profit means we return selling price minus cost price. Profit percentage means profit by cost price into 100. First of all we return profit value 160 minus CP. It is profit earned. Divide by CP multiplied by 100. We are get the profit percent on article A or article B? Article A. By second one is profit is calculated on which one? Selling price or cost price? Selling price. Means we return 160 minus CP. That is profit earned. It is calculated on which one? Selling price. What is the selling price? 160 multiplied by 100. Yes or no? Numerator is profit percent on A, article A. Next first article, and denominator is the profit on second article. That is equal to which one? First one profit compared to second one profit, how much percent or more? 60% more. Means second one profit are 5 parts. First one profit are 8 parts. 60% more means one will be 5 parts, another one are 8 parts. Simplify this one, we are get the CP value. Clearly given 60% more than the profit percent earned on second article for earned. What is the first article profit? 160 minus CP by CP into 100. What is the second article profit? 160 minus CP by selling price or cost price? Selling price. Then profit on first one is 60% more than the second one, means one will be 160, another one are 100%. What is the ratio? 8 by 5. And here 100 get cancelled. Just cross multiplication, simplify this one, we are get the almost CP value 100 are getting. CP value 100. If anyone doubt, 160 minus 100, 60 by CP means that will be 60 by 100. Numerator 60 by 100. Or the denominator 160 minus 100 means 60 by which one? 160. 60 get cancelled. It will become 160 by 100. 1 by 100 means it will become 160 by 100. Or the right hand side 8 by 5. Both are in equal or different? Equal. What is the CP value? 100 or 200? 100. Next, what is the condition here? B sold the first article at dash rupees and he earns a profit which is 20% less than the profit earned by A on the first article. What is the A first article profit? What is the first article selling price? 160. Selling price is how much? 160. What is the cost price? 100. Selling price 160. Means profit 60 rupees. That is profit on article A or article A on the first article or second article? First article. Compared to that one, how much percent or less is getting? 20%. 20% less means what is the 20% of 60? 12. 60 minus 12. 48. That is profit on article B sold the first article dash rupees and earns a profit which is 20% less than the which one? Profit earned on the first article. What is the first article profit? 60. Compared to that one, 20% less means what is the new profit? 48. But required selling price value are required or cost price value? Selling price. Selling price means we return cost 160 plus how much value? 48. 160 plus 48. That will be how much? 208. Because first A person is sold to B person, means that B person's A person selling price, it is also equal to which one? B person cost price, means 160 is the cost price of which one? B. But he getting a profit or 48. 160 plus 48, that will be 208. He has sold both articles to which one? B at 160 each, means selling price of A, it is equal to which one? Cost price of B. What is the selling price of A? 160. It is also equal to cost price of B, but he getting a profit or 48. 160 plus 48, we are getting 208. Next 171. Boat Q travels 432 kilometers in upstream in 36 hours. The speed of the another boat P in still water is 50% of the speed of the boat Q in downstream, and speed of the stream for both boat P and Q is the same. It is 12 km per hour. Find the distance travelled by boat P in downstream in 18 hours. First of all, boat Q travels 432 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 36 hours. Here two different boats are. Two different boats. One will be MQ, another one are MP. Okay. Boat Q. It is upstream or downstream or upstream. Means MQ minus S equal to, or the distance are covered? 432 in how many hours? 36 hours. 36 how many times? 12 times, sir. MQ minus S equal to how much? 12. And one more. Stream for both boat P and Q is the same or different? Same. Means S value is given how much? 12 km per hour. Either boat P or boat Q, speed of the stream are same or different? Same. Means S value are 12. S value are 12 means what is the MQ value? 24. MQ is how much? 24. And what is the second point are given? The speed of the another boat P in still water is 50% of the which one? Speed of the boat Q in downstream or upstream? Downstream. Means MP value is 50% means 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 of which one? Speed of the boat Q in which one? Downstream. What is the MQ value? 24. What is the S value? 12. 24 plus 12. 36. What is the half of the 36? 18. That is MP. Okay. Next. What is the question here? Find the distance travelled by the boat P in downstream in how many hours? 18 hours. What is the speed value? 18 km per hour. But we required downstream distance or upstream distance? Downstream distance. Downstream distance means we written MP plus S into time equal to which one? Distance value. What is the MP value? 18. What is the S value? 12. 18 plus 12, 30. Into time is how many hours? 18 hours. What is the answer? 540 kilometers. Next question number 172. 300 meters long train A crosses a train B of 180 meters in length which is running in opposite direction in 5 by 11 seconds. If the speed of the train B is 20% more than that of train A, then find the time taken by both the trains to cross each other when they are running in the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. And already we know the opposite direction time, but we required which one? Same direction timer. Yes or no? First, what is the length of the first train? 300. What is the second train length? 180. When a train passes another train means what is the total distance? Sum of the two train lengths are 480. But both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. Distance value 480. That 480 distance it is equal to speed into time or speed first time? Speed into time. But both are moving in which direction? Opposite direction. Second train speed compared to first train speed, how much percent or more? 20% more. Suppose speed of the first train we are consider 5 parts. Speed of the second train will be 6 parts. Okay. What is the opposite direction relative speed? 11 parts are into time are taken 5 by 11 seconds. That will be 60 by 11 are 11 get cancelled. 60 almost 8 times are every 1 part equal to 8 are 1 part value 8. What is the question here? Find the time taken by both the trains to cross each other in same direction or opposite. Same direction. In same direction also same distance are covered or different distance? Same distance. But relative speed are changed. What is the relative speed? 6 parts minus 5 parts. How many parts? 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 8 into timer. 8 how many times? 60 times. Then t equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Next question number 173. B and A started a business with an investment of 44,000 and 68,000. After some months, Johnny joined them with an investment 12.5% more than the average initial investment of B and A. If at the end of the year the profit share of A out of the total profit is given 16,590 is 8160. Means total profit is 16,590. In that A profit is how much? 8160. What is the question here? Find Johnny invested for money. How many months are? Okay. First of all, what is the A profit is given? 8160. What is the 3% profit? 16,590. Out of 16,590, we are subtracting 8160. What is the remaining? 8430. Numerator, which one profit? A profiter. Denominator, B and J profiter. Numerator is A profit and denominator is B plus J profiter. Okay. First, what is the A investment? 68,000. What is the B investment? 44,000. 3 zeros get cancelled. Okay. Means A invested 68 parts. 68 parts for how many years? 12 years. Sorry, how many months? 12 months. Next, what is the B investment? 44. 44 also used for how many months? 12 months. Plus, third person will be joined them after some time or after some time. What is the question here? Third person invested for how many months? Means we required third person time period. But third person investment is 12.5% more than the average initial investment of B and A. What are the B and A initial investments? 68 plus 44. What is the sum value? 112. 112. Out of 112, how much percent are more? 12.5% more. Average. Average means divide by 2 means how much? 56. In that 56, how much percent we need? 12.5. 12.5 means 1 by 8. What is the 1 by 8 of 56? 7. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 56 plus 7. Total it is 63. That is investment of JR. And it will be used for some time or total time? Some time. And numerator A profit, denominator B plus J profit. 68 into 12. 8160. Numerator 0, denominator 0 cancel. 68 into 12. 10 times 680. 2 times 136. Total it is 816. Cancel. Next, 44 into 12. 63 into T equal to how much? 843. Denominators are 3 multiples. 3 how many times? 4. 3 how many times? 21. 3 how many times? 843. 2, 8, 1. 44 for the 176. That is subtracted from 281. Means 281 minus 176. We are getting 105. That is equal to how much? 21 into TR. 21 almost 5 times or 4 times? 5 times. T equal to how many months? 5 months. Next question number 174. A A bag contains some balls of 3 different colors, in which red balls are 6 and some white and yellow balls. If a ball is drawn randomly, the probability of getting a white ball is 4 by 9. The probability of getting a yellow ball is how much? 2 by 9. Find the total find the total balls in the bagger. First of all, how many colors are there? 3 colors. Okay. And here one will be white, another one are yellow, and next one redder. Okay. What is the white probability are given? 4 by 9. What is the yellow probability? 2 by 9. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. 6 by 9. Means fraction 2 by 3. 2 by 3 are white and yellow, means remaining 1 by 3 are which one? Red probability or not? But red, how many balls are given? 6 balls are not? Means 1 part equal to how many balls? 6 balls. Then 3 parts are 18 balls are. What is the meaning? Out of 3 parts, 1 part are red probability or not? Means 1 part will be how many balls are given? 6 balls. Then 3 parts are 18 or not? Next 175. N men can do a piece of work in how many days? 21 days. Working 8 hours each day. The number of days taken by N men is 70% of the number of days taken by N minus 1 men. Working 6 hours a day. Find in how many days N plus 3 men working 10 hours in a day can complete the same work or different work? Same work. First of all, N persons can do the work 21 days, means we written N into 21 days. Per day how many hours are working? 8 hours. That will be total work. For the next point are given the number of days taken by N men. For the N men, how much time are taken? 21 days. That will be 70% of which one? Number of days taken by N minus 1. Okay. Means 21 days equal to how much percent? 70%. 70% or 21 means 100%. 30 days means N minus 1 persons how much time are taken? 30 days because N persons how much? N persons 70% of the time are taken, but N minus 1 persons 100% of the time are taken. 70% is how many days? 21 days. Then 100% will be 30 days. Means N minus 1 into how many days we return? 30 days or 40 days? 30 days. N into 21 into 8 hours equal to N minus 1 into 30 days. Per day how many hours are work? 6 hours. Left hand side work and right hand side work equal or different? Equal. And 3 how many times here? 7. 3 how many times? 10 times. 4 how many times? 8. 2 times. 4 how many times? 60. 15 times. Left hand side 14n, right hand side 15n. What is the difference? N. 15 into 1. 15n means N value are 15. What is the question here? How many days N plus 3 men working 10 hours in a day can complete the same work or different work? Same work. First we need to identify the total worker. Total work means we return. Substitute the N value either left hand side or right hand side. Substitute the N value in left hand side. 15 into 21 into 8. That is total worker. The same total work is completed by N plus 3 persons. N plus 3 persons means 18 into per day how many hours are working? 10 hours multiplied by time means days. Left hand side M1 D1 into H1. Right hand side M2 H2 into D2. And 15 into 21. 18 into 10 how much? 180. 15 almost 12 times. 4 2s are 4. 3 times. 3 almost 7. Then D equal to how many days? 14 days.